In more than a third of multi-agent AI failures, the bug isn't in any single agent. It's two good agents stepping on each other without knowing it.
Both agents do their jobs right, and the result is still broken?
That's what happened. Two agents, same live system. One fixing broken software, the other building a test copy of one service. Both finish, and both report success. And the system is left with a test copy built on the wrong version, silently waiting to go live. So Tyler, when a clash like that happens, how long should the fix take? Hold your guess. And keep an eye on that test copy in the corner. You'll see why.
Okay, but if each agent did its job right, two right answers should give you a right answer.
That's what everybody assumes. The bug isn't in either agent's thinking. It's in the timing. One read a piece of data right before the other one changed it. And every time you hear about AI agents working together, coding your app and managing your servers, this is the bug nobody's watching for.
Can't you just use the same fixes databases have used for decades?
Two classic moves. 1. Locks. Lock everyone out the moment one agent touches something. Problem is, an AI agent thinks for minutes, so everyone else just freezes. 2. Let everyone run free, and if there's a clash, throw away one agent's entire work and start over. Safe is slow, and fast is expensive.
And both of those assume the thing doing the work is dumb.
Right, and an AI agent isn't. Picture two people editing the same report. The old system either locks you out of the document or deletes your whole afternoon when a conflict shows up. The new approach? A colleague tapping your shoulder. Hey, that number you copied 10 minutes ago just changed. You glance, decide if it matters, and fix just that cell.
But what stops two agents from reacting to each other's fixes forever? Just going back and forth?
That's why every agent gets a rank at launch, a fixed priority number. Corrections only flow from lower rank to higher. One direction, no loops, and it always stops. Keep that ranking in mind. It's what makes the whole repair possible.
So what happened when they tested it?
Same two agents, same clash. Agent A fixes the broken software. Agent B gets a tap on the shoulder. And its repair takes 6 seconds. Your guess? That's the answer. 6 seconds against 29 for the start-over approach. And Tyler, that test copy nobody checked? In the old system, it sat there broken. Here, the agent got notified, saw the copy was built on bad data, and fixed just that one piece.
6 seconds, sure. But that only works if the agent is right about what actually matters. In this study, 5% of the time, it wasn't. And that's not a slow fix, Juniper. That's a silent wrong answer nobody catches.
The researchers are honest about that. They expect the rate to shrink with better models, but right now, it's a real gap.
So if an AI agent told you it caught its own mistake after a clash, would you trust it, or would you want a human checking its work? Drop your take in the comments.
If you want the next surprising paper broken down plain, subscribe, one every week.
When two agents both say everything's fine, who's checking?